Ever wondered why people say they're feeling under the weather when they're not feeling well? Or why someone might tell you to break a leg before a big performance? These phrases, known as idioms, pepper our everyday language, adding color and character to our conversations. But what do they really mean, and where did they come from? Idioms are expressions that carry a meaning different from the literal interpretation of the words that make them up. They exist in every language and often confuse language learners because their meanings aren't typically found in dictionaries. However, they're an essential part of mastering any language, including English. Take under the weather, for example. This idiom, used to express that someone is feeling ill, has a nautical origin. In the days of sailing ships, when a sailor became ill, they were sent below deck to protect them from the weather and help them recover. Hence, they were literally under the weather. Or consider break a leg. This phrase is often said to performers before they go on stage, and it's meant as a wish for good luck. But why would anyone wish for a broken leg? The origin of this idiom is a bit murky, but one theory suggests that it's rooted in superstition. In the theater world, it's considered bad luck to wish someone good luck directly. So, break a leg emerged as a way to wish good luck without actually saying the words. Another idiom with an interesting history is barking up the wrong tree. This phrase means to make a false assumption or follow a mistaken line of thought. It comes from hunting dogs that might have barked at the base of the wrong tree after their quarry had already moved on. Idioms like these can be puzzling, but they add richness and depth to the English language. They're a window into the culture and history of English-speaking people, reflecting societal norms, values, and even superstitions from various periods in history. To summarize, idioms are colorful expressions that convey a meaning different from the literal interpretation of their individual words. They often have fascinating origins rooted in history, culture, and sometimes superstition. Understanding idioms not only helps in mastering the language but also provides insight into the culture of its speakers. So, the next time someone tells you it's raining cats and dogs, you'll know they're not talking about a feline and canine downpour. Instead, they're using an idiom to describe a very heavy rain, a phrase that dates back to the 17th century when heavy rains would often wash stray animals down the streets of towns. Idioms are a charming and intriguing aspect of language, a testament to the creativity and evolution of human communication. So whether you're feeling on top of the world or down in the dumps, remember there's probably an idiom to express just how you're feeling. And who knows? You might just find yourself having a whale of a time exploring the world of idioms.